Hey guys, Jaden back here for another video, and today we are playing this game called strucid. Yes, I have tried it before, as you can see right here. My cursor is on level 11, so let's get into it. Oh, I'm playing gun game. Let's get it. Gun game is my favorite. Building is not that good on here, but okay. Man, my building sucks. Whatever. I'm trying to flex on you guys. What am I gonna flex on? Okay, let's see. Any peoples? Yes, right here. Right here, right here, right here. And if you guys want to see more of these videos like this, please let me know in the comments. So yeah. Bro, you stole my kill. Why you bullying me like that, son? Oh, now you're gonna get the smoke. Watch. Julian, if you're watching this, I'm not gonna blow his head off, don't worry. Why you bullying me? Okay, let's get it, let's get it. Dang it, man. Dang it, man. My buildings are not on fleek today. Ooh, look at those 90s. Whatever those are. Not even good 90s, though. That's the thing. Ah! Oh, watch. I'm gonna hooga booga this guy. Watch. Oh, no. Oh, if you guys don't know what gun game is, it's just like you start with a horrible gun and then you evolve to a better gun. And at the end, you'll have the best gun in the game. So that's what gun game is, if you didn't know. And don't worry, I'm not going to cheat and use traps. Well, it's not cheating, but we're only going to use guns today. Hey, where is this guy? He just disappeared. What? Oh, now I'm going to steal this guy's kill. Haha, my aim is impeccable. But I don't hit headshots, sadly. Hey, man, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Ah! Don't kill my first death. Yo, we're about to make this my second death. I knew it. This guy got like some aimbot history. Yeah. Shh. What? Dang it, man. Sorry for your mics there. Oh, wait, what? Bro, stay back. Now we get the same gun. Let's get it. Oh, I got 500 monies. And no, I don't like this game that much, or I'm gonna buy stuff. I like the game a lot, but no point in me buying stuff. There's like no difference. It's just like skins and stuff. But if you guys want me to buy skins, say in the comments. I don't mind. I can make vids with other people, as I said before, like my cousin, my friends from school. Yo, this kid... Oh man, I really wanted to use this gun for longer, but nah. Oh snap. Okay. Oof. Sorry guys if I'm not talking that much and if you're bored. Please keep on watching. Dang, my aim sucks. Oh, that's game. Dang, that's tough. Bruh, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? How do I place that low? How? My G. Like, why you bullying me? I need some music, guys. I'm sorry. You best believe I need some music. Sorry, but this music has some explicit language. Explicit, not explicit. Okay, let's see what we're playing now. Okay. Dang, some of my 90s suck. Yo, watch this. Ready? Yo, where's these kids at? You need these sour kids. Why did I build a trap? Bro, why am I building so much trap? I'm wasting my traps. Even though I get them free. Watch this spamming. Dang, my aim sucks. Yo, the AR is way easier to hit shots with. That's for like every game though. Well, I don't know why I keep on screaming. It's mad annoying. Watch this, ready? Dead. Oh no, I'm about to get bopped. Oh. I did it again. Why am I screaming? Hey, you. Hey, get roasted. You might be thinking the free kids. Walk. Amen. Yo, I'm about to no-scope this kid. Yo, watch this. Ready? Oh man, that was cool. Oh, okay. Just give me the free kill. Oof. Oh, I think I'm gonna get knocked down. I'll build back down. Oh my god, you had to knock that down? Dead. Freebies. Why am I shooting my shotgun? I thought I had my AR out. How did I get 5 kills, bro? I suck at this game. Malaya! I look good in the Malaya. Where are my teammates at? Yo, why am I breaking everything? Alright, well, I bet. Wanna roast these kids? I need more mats anyway. Okay. And then right here. Oh, dang it. That doesn't. Now I'm stuck. Great. Okay, good. Guys, I don't even like look for the thing because it's kind of boring. I just like to fight. That's the fun part. There's like a big copy of Fortnite and Call of Duty combined, but keep again, that's Apex Legends. If you guys want me to do a video on Apex Legends, I can do it. I just suck at that game. Just like I do at every game, Fortnite. Even my cousin beat me in Fortnite. That's how you know I suck. You guys might be thinking, oh my god, he's a god at this game. Well, if you're not thinking that, then you are correct though. Dead. Bop. Look at these. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Why do I keep on yelling? Dang, Jaden, dang. You see, I would record longer videos, but we only have like so much time to record. I can do a live stream, maybe on YouTube, but I wouldn't be able to record my gameplays because you gotta use like a special app, and on this app you can't do live streams, so that sucks. Like I wish me and Jaduth partnered to build like the best death run and scissors and Kenworth. Kenworth makes good death runs. But they're probably not even watching this video, so yeah. Get me out of here. Oh no, I'm out of wood. Well, guess what? We're gonna do the no wood challenge. Oh, everyone's about to get roasted. Oh man, I need to build. I suck without building. Okay, I'm about to get my 600 mats, so. Where? Dang man, I suck at this game. My 90s suck, mate. My 90s. Oh no. Sorry guys, I got a cough. Oh no, bro, why you bullying me? How am I picking up my pickaxe? Yo guys, watch. I'm about to beam this kid, watch. Nah. Oh! Yo, Julian, this is for you. Not that. Sorry. Oh, right here. This guide. Hi, Jasmine. Okay. Yo, yo. Chill, dude. Oh no. What's on you? Yo, was that crazy or not? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore, guys. Alright, this is gonna be the last battle because we don't have that much time in the video. Oh, bro, you're not an enemy. Hey guys, stream sniper. I'm reporting him. I'm Ninja. Just kidding. Ninja's like the dopest guy I know. I'm just kidding. I don't even know him. Oh, bro, look at these buildings. Oh. We don't talk about that. But guys, either way, I'd like to say bye. And I wish you guys an amazing day. And please subscribe and leave a like and comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this. Peace out.